So I'm in the beautiful Al's location in Woodburn, and I'm here with Eve. And Eve, we're going to talk about vegetables. So first of all, tell me, what is it that we can be planting right now in our gardens?
So right now we can plant all of our cole crops, and that's C-O-L-E, not
Right.
just cold, but they do well in the cold, and they are our broccoli, our cauliflower, our kale, cabbage, all of those can go in the ground right now. Beans as well,
Right,
garlic
right.
you can
Yeah.
put in,
and onions, I think, yeah. So,
Yeah.
so there's a lot that can be going on, even in this temperature in our gardens to prepare.
Yes, yeah.
And now we're standing, though, close to what I see is just so many varieties of tomatoes.
Yes.
So tell me about those, and when can we start putting them in the garden?
So it is a little early just to put them out there in the garden right now. If you do want to get your garden started early, I would suggest having some protection for your
Because
little guys.
you guys sell several different products
Yes.
that can protect them now.
Yes,
So-
yeah. This is one. This is a hot cap. So it keeps the little guys warm during the cold days. You just pop it on top.
What?
Like,
Right.
like that.
And it actually shows a picture of how to do it right
Yes, it
on
does,
the
yeah.
package itself. So it's really pretty simple to
Yeah.
do. And then of course we've talked about, wall of waters, things like that. So there's things, but you really do want to pay attention if you choose to put those out now.
Yes, absolutely.
And standing in all of these wonderful things, you also want to make sure that you pay attention to fertilizers, and you guys sell these kinds, which are perfect.
Yeah, these are great. Lime we suggest definitely when you're first planting your tomatoes.
And what is that for specifically?
That helps the calcium soaks into the plant and helps to prevent blossom end rot.
Wonderful, perfect.
And
yeah.
then the tomato tone helps to provide more calcium and nutrients throughout the season of the growing season.
And then because we all want what this produces, which is tomatoes.
Tomatoes,
So
yes, yeah.
do it all right, and you'll get a great a harvest from them. But we're standing in all of these tomatoes, and there's something really fun happening again. Tell me what this is.
Yes, so today at 9:30 we are hosting our Great Big Tomato Contest, and it is the sign up and giveaway of the tomato plants. It's for kids only, 13 and under, and we are handing every child their very own 4-inch early girl tomato that they can take home and grow. And then they bring it back. They don't bring the plant back, but they'll bring the tomato back in August, and we do a weigh-in. So whoever has the biggest, heaviest tomato wins, and the prizes are fantastic.
They are. Tell me about some of them.
First prize is $75 as an Al's gift card, and then it's gardening tools and a full year of Kids Club, and then it goes down, and so the second prize is $50 and tools and gift and Kids Club and all of that. Yeah.
And so they come in, and this is free at the time?
Yes, free.
Okay, so there you have it. So listen, this is a fun event, and last year was so much fun when they brought all the tomatoes back and you could see them. So for more information, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, find out all of the things that are happening, take your kid in, and then have a blast growing tomatoes. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Eve.
thank you.